Hello guys. If you ever wonder what a boat is like when I create it, well, you're gonna find it out. This is my custom build of a Lego police assault boat. Lots of features. Let's just show it to you guys. And just a second, guys. Yeah. This is what the assault boat looks. Aw, man. Idiot. This is what the assault boat looks like. Even put some blue clear round studs for wrist rocky fill. On the back you have turbines and a radar, the white thing. And this minifig ready, but it's like a speed door. What the hell? And even pack with the gun. One can go up and down, pack 6 smooth tile, and it is minifig ready. So that is my brick build minifigure, and I must say it's really cool compared to what I did in the classic Ferrari speedboat. So that is it, and thank you for watching my custom build of police assault boat. You can see the radar. Thank you for watching.